Today, I'm watching 100 movies to tell you if they are bad for you and should you stop watching them. Okay, first of all, why? Why would movies even be bad in the first place? A Russian millionaire, Iman Gadzhi, has said that every time he moves into a new place, there is one thing that he never buys, and that is a TV. Because simply, rich people don't watch TV. I mean, imagine it. You're able to drive a Lamborghini down the streets of Dubai with beautiful women by the side of you. Would you really want to spend time watching Euphoria on Netflix? But this is perhaps too extreme. Is this necessary? Is it really important to stop watching movies at all? Well, in this video, you're gonna find out. The first movie out of many that I watched was my favorite movie of all time, Drive. I mean, look at the guy. He's literally me.
My hands are a little dirty.
The second movie that I watched was my second favorite movie of all time, and that was Wolf of Wall Street. And this movie is just amazing. Then I watched Goodfellas, I watched Fight Club, and I watched The Girl with the Dragon Tattoo. And the ending of this last movie got me way more emotional than I ever want to be. But I don't think that you care about the exact list of movies that I watched. I think you want to hear the conclusion. Movies are essentially just what is called instant gratification. They give you short-term pleasure and entertainment in exchange for a lot of your time. And time is the biggest problem here. Quite frankly, you shouldn't have time to watch movies. And if you do have time to regularly watch movies, bro, that means you have too much free time on your hands. So fill up your time with productive things like, bro, start a business and you could use some money. Go to the gym, you could use a better physique. And trust me, you will fill up your day like this. And then once you actually don't have time, then find a little bit of it and watch a movie here and there. If you made it this far in the video, congratulations, I'm gonna give you a bonus now. This right here is a movie that is extremely productive and that you need to watch right now, right after watching this video. Hold up. So this movie is about how a simple plastic lunchbox changed my entire life. Click here to watch it right now.